Hello, everybody. I am the Shadow Trader, and this is Shadow Analysis. Today, we're going to be taking a look at NBIS. I know that we already went over this. It's not the end of day, but I kind of gave you like a quick kind of in and out, what happened, what I expect, kind of thing, like a quickie. Right? We had a quickie. Take with that what you want. But today, we're going to go over the macro analysis again, like a little recap just to try to see if we're still on the right page. So, guys, let's take a look at it. So, we have a gap. It's this yellow line here. Okay, delete that. That's kind of what it could happen, right? Now, we are still bullish here. I want to show you the. I think I see hourly before I delete it because I'm going to. Oh, I think it might have been the daily. Looks way too big here. No, it was definitely not the. What the hell was it? Or it must have been the hourly. I think I'm just too zoomed in. Yeah, it was the hourly. All right, so let's go back to the hourly. I was just too zoomed in. That's why it looks so big. We're just gonna have to zoom out a little bit, right? This looks like and I could be wrong, but this looks like a bear trap, guys. Now, yeah, we've broken the trend. Okay. Whatever. Now let's go and keep in mind that if this isn't a bear trap and it does flip bullish, I'm sorry, and it does flip bearish, keep in mind that we're already close to the bottom here. We had already hit a bottom here, right? No signal. That's okay. Again, we don't have to. We got one here. This was the ultimate bottom. We have topped out. I will give you that. But this looks kind of like it could be. And then you go to the weekly. So here, now I can delete this. Here you're still bullish. You haven't topped out yet on the weekly, which means the yearly is going to see if this remains bullish. And you did get a bottom. Yeah. Yep. You did get a bottom. If it remains bullish, the yearly is going to see a lot more signals. So be ready for that. What I'm waiting for to sell this stock is another top here. I'm waiting to see another top here, and then I'll be ready to get out. So how to know if you should just cut your loss or not? Well, uh, we may have talked about. I haven't talked about it in full detail yet because I haven't done my next TA video, my mindset video. But again, just like I said in a previous analysis video, this is the 9 EMA. I haven't changed. I need to change the color, but it's been the same thing all day today. So this is the 9 EMA, and if you break that, you're bearish. But as long as you're above that, you're bullish. We're still bullish. There is nothing bearish about this. It actually has to come down pretty significant in order to call it bearish. And as of right now, if it fell tomorrow, the bottom would be $48, and you would cover the gap here. So what's probably going to happen is it's probably going to come down to the gap, and it's going to push off of that 9 EMA, and it's probably going to go. Uh, However, if it breaks that 9 EMA and it comes back up and it holds resistance, You're coming down to this gap down here. I'll have to cut my losses, obviously. I'm not gonna hold through that. That's stupid. But I don't think that's gonna happen. We're still bullish here. I wouldn't buy now, right? When I bought before, I thought I was gonna see some giant move. I didn't see a giant move. It came here to almost $60 and dropped back down. And we're not done yet because we still haven't touched the 9 EMA, but it's bounced off the 9 EMA every single time. So we just need to wait. We need to take our time and just watch the stocks we're interested in, take the ones that are ready. So far, I haven't seen any that are ready that I've looked at, except for possibly 22nd Century. That one might be ready actually, but not 100% sure. Anyways, guys, um, I'm gonna cut it short there. Kind of a short video. I just wanted to show you guys we're still in it to win it, even if I may interpret things as doom and gloom. It's not really that way on the shorter term because we did look at the micro analysis earlier. So on the shorter term, it is doom and gloom. But on the longer term, we're still extremely bullish here, and we could bounce off that 9 EMA at any moment. And if we don't hit that 9 EMA now, I'll believe it's a real run because we just hit it. If we went up, I would expect to come back down to it. It would obviously go up with the price action, but I would still expect to touch the 9 EMA at that point. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching my video. If you're in this and you want to get out, I understand, but just know that you're getting out on a stock that's still technically bullish, although if it does turn bearish, then it will turn out that you're right to get out. If you decide to stay in, then congratulations. If it stays bullish, then you will have made a lot of money. I don't know what some of you bought for. I don't know if some of you bought like $80 options. I don't know if some of you ever thought that it would go that far. Some of you might have bought like $55 options because that was what the current high was at the time, right? Now 58. I've got the 55. So if it goes to 80, like, as I said before, I'm out. I gotta be out because we already got a signal here. Even if we hit 80 here and didn't go above this, I would, unless it looks super strong, like it was gonna continue upward, I'm gonna have to get out. Like as long as it's above that 9 EMA, if it's still above that 9 EMA after the run, I'm gonna have to stay in until I see it break under. And I do think it's gonna go a little bit over 80. It's not gonna hit 80 and drop, right? So I'm gonna be waiting for that top, man. It's coming, guys. We just need to be patient and see what it does. But again, thank you for watching my video. Hit that like button for me. Do me a favor, and if you like the video and you want to see more, go ahead and sub. Ring that bell for me if you want to get notified of all my new videos that come out. I do have more stuff coming out tomorrow. Well, today. I have more stuff coming out this weekend. I might schedule something for tomorrow. I don't know yet. I haven't thought that far ahead, okay? I haven't had a chance to relax. I just want to make these videos and think about what I want to do tomorrow because I might live stream. I don't know. But anyways, I'm dragging this thing on. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate if you're here to watch. If you comment down below, tell me what you want me to look at. If you think I should buy something, or if you are interested in hearing my analysis on anything that you're looking at that you might be confused about, please comment down below and let me know, or hit me up on X at Shadow Trader. Can't talk today. At Shadow Trader 17. Thank you very much, and ciao.